You know what the terms of reference are? The terms of reference are about the conspiracy which led to the release of the audio tapes after a long gap of 4 years, and whether that is a conspiracy. In other words, the terms of reference are, Mr. R.K. Singh, with absolute personal regards to you, the terms of reference are about whether there is a conspiracy in the release of the tapes. Now, I'm asking you, sir, as a journalist to a politician, what is more important? The conspiracy, if there is one, in the release of the tapes, or what the matter in the tapes contains, which is an issue of illegal surveillance? You tell me, sir, you've served the logic of waiting till May 16th. Why do you wait till May 16th?
We had announced the commission. We had announced the commission. The judge has to be announced. That's all the commission.
What
the commission
doing
had
for 5 months?
No, Miss Oza, no, Miss Oza.
They have taken this issue.
Miss Oza,
no, Miss Oza.
What were they doing for 5 months? Why were they sleeping over the file?
No, Miss Oza, no, Miss Oza. No, Miss Oza, you are wrong. You are wrong today. And remember, Miss Oza, this question will be asked to the Congress party. You are not serious about the issue of surveillance.
No, not at all. The timing. See, better be late than never.
What do you mean better late than never? Is this a road sign?
Of this country.
Is this a traffic sign that you're talking about? It's a serious issue. Don't trivialize the issue.
You have been asking, and the country has been asking, why not appoint? And
yes, and what did you do? We've been asking, what did you do?
What is the problem?
We asked, what did you do? What did you do on December 26th?
Had you appointed, Miss Oja, had you appointed a judge right on time in December, the probe would have been completed by now.
And why didn't you?
It's unfortunate that you slept over the file for 5 months.
Now, since it's being announced, what is the problem?
What is the problem?
Is BJP scared of this committee?
What is the problem?
Is BJP scared of this committee?
The problem is that everybody is debating the issue.
The problem,
had you appointed the judge earlier, nobody would have questioned the timing.
The problem, Miss Oza.
This is the problem.
The problem, Miss Oza, is that nobody considers you to be sincere. Everybody is suspicious of what you're doing. Nobody trusts you.
We are sincere about this issue.
You have given BJP a shield to hide behind. That's what the Congress has done.
Why did you do that, Miss Oza?
You've given them a shield to hide behind.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that, Miss Oza?
Should not there be an inquiry? Tell me.
There should be, but why didn't you announce it till now? Why have you reduced the credibility of your own inquiry? Why have you destroyed the credibility of something you wanted to do?
Is the country not perturbed?
Absolutely. Why do you wait till May 16th?
Is the country not perturbed?
They are perturbed with your opportunism.
Is Mr. Modi not answerable to
Sure, Mr. Modi is answerable, but you are answerable. Your political opportunism is answerable. How do I realize that you are not trying to cut a deal with Mr. Modi?
Another perfect case of paralysis,
No, not at all.
Completely paralyzed.
We had announced a commission. It's only a matter of announcing the
Now let me come to the nub of the issue. I'm now coming to the nub of the issue. The nub of the issue, Shobha Oza, please. Shobha Oza, please. Shobha Oza, please. The nub, Shobha Oza. Miss Oza, the people of this country will ask you even tougher questions. I am only asking you the milder questions. But the nub of the issue is, Miss Oza, how do I believe that you did not want to cut a deal with the BJP on the issue of Robert Vadra? And that you were using Snoopgate, the delayed action on Snoopgate, the delayed action on Snoopgate as a balancing fact to Vadra.
We picked up this issue. Not at all,
Not at all? Fine.
And Mr. Vadra's questions have been answered.
5 minutes. Asifa is responding. Asifa.
Yes.
Arnab,
BJP, they want to have an inquiry on Snoopgate, Arnab. They are still 10 days and they are free to go in with all their efforts, with all their powers.
Along with
really surprised
women from all sections of the society, and requested him to interfere.
Before the government
that shows
goes.
the sincerity
And
to
I
the
believe
issue.
that the corruption issue, the coal gate, the chopper gate, which stands now to stop, the other scam,
Asifa,
right? These are all important issues where they need to answer before they wind up the government.
On this issue?
So, of course, they should.
Why don't you come clean on this?
Whoever
and I would ask you, how many meetings did the state committee have on date?
You can inquire the entire Gujarat government.
Did the state committee have which you had in Gujarat?
You know, Asifa, just a minute. A last point and I go to Sabha. The greatest irony is, one second, Asifa, please listen. You know, Asifa, before I close, I just want to make one quick observation. Just one quick observation. As far as the UPA government is concerned, Asifa, just...
Tata Trucks, 2G, Commonwealth, come clean on all those scams.
Asifa, a minute.
Come clean on the black money about this country.
Are you competing with the Congress, Asifa ji? Are you trying to imitate them?
Don't compare this with all these scams.
No, why don't you look at your own self and admit that it's a mistake?
Why are you diverting from the issue?
The issue is this. Shobha Oza, a minute, Shobha Oza. A minute, Asifa, and the issue is this. The issue is this, and I go to Sabha to close. The issue is this. This UPA government manages to have an urgent meeting between the Haryana government, the Urban Development Ministry, to clear the change of land use in certain parts of Haryana to allow amusement parks to be constructed. Things which will help private parties. The UPA government worked overtime in the last few weeks of this government, Sabha, to clear these deals which will help business houses. But the UPA government found no time to close the investigation on Snoopgate.
Which is why, Arnab, I've said so right at the beginning, I've always believed it was a quid pro quo between the establishment. This is how the political class jockeys with each other. They keep dope on each other. Vadra's story was also released independently. It was the BJP didn't come out with it eventually. Even though a senior BJP leader had the papers, he was stopped by his colleagues because they didn't want to upset the apple cart. And the BJP has broken that code. Hence, the Congress just held up the threat of a Snoopgate probe. They never really wanted one. Everybody is looking out for their protection right now. And I'm sure why call Mr. Sharad Pawar an opportunist? Mr. R.K. Singh was sitting there in the, serving the Home Minister till a few days ago. He has just resigned, he has just retired and gone straight to the BJP. He's also
I was not serving any Home Minister.
So, you know, I was the world is made of opportunism.
You are wrong. You know? I was serving the government.
You were serving
I don't serve any minister.
No, but there's a very short gap. There is a very short gap.
And the government, the government does not belong to any minister or a party. I mean, it's very clear. The government is not the property of any minister or any party.
There is a very short gap between your
What do you mean by short gap? The government, you know, in my career, I worked with all political parties. Congress, RJD, JDU, BJP, everybody. I work with, officers work with any political party which is voted to power. That does not mean that they serve the party. No, sorry.
No, Mr. Singh, should you have not waited for a decent interval?
Why?
Should you not have waited for a decent interval?
Why?
Plunged in.
Why?
So that is
opportunism.
So you also practice.
I joined the party. I joined the party.
Of course you saw an opportunity, Mr.
You know, I have the right to vote. I had the right for my life to vote for whichever party I wanted. Number one.
People have questioned VK Singh.
And number two.
People have questioned the former army chief's opportunism. I would say this for all bureaucrats, all army people who jumped into a political career right after they retire. It raises
basically,
questions.
while we serve the government, we serve the government.
About who they were serving, what they were doing.
But you know, are you saying that we will always vote for a party which is in power?
There should be a...
What utter nonsense.
Anyway, let's not distract. The fact of the matter tonight is the Congress party is paying the price for delayed action or inaction in this case. And despite all the fire and brimstone that Shobha Oza brought to the debate this evening, the fact of the matter is the Congress party did nothing. It pulled its feet, it dragged its feet, it did nothing. Therefore, it finds itself having lost the moral high ground on this issue. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1. Shobha Oza and others on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.